Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to change how long your iPad screen stays on, you're in the right place. So in this video, I'll show you how to easily adjust your iPad screen timeout. First, you need to go ahead and open your settings on your iPad. This is where you can customize your device. And once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This section manages your screen setting, including brightness, night shift, and most importantly for this video, the screen timeout. Next, scroll down and tap on Auto Lock, which is in the bottom of the screen. This feature controls how long your iPad waits before turning off the screen when you're not using it. When you tap on the auto lock, you will see a list of time options from 30 seconds to 15 minutes. You can also choose never if you want the screen to stay on all the time. Choose a time that works best for you. For example, if you want a longer time out, pick 5 or 10 minutes. This is handy if you're reading or following the instructions. And if you want to save battery, choose a shorter time like 30 seconds or 1 minute. And once you have chosen your time, your screen will now turn off after that certain period of inactivity. This is a good way to balance convenience and battery life depending on how you use your iPad. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.